Hey everyone, welcome to TechBrick YouTube channel. I am Malik Arjun. In my previous video, we have learned about what is slice, how do we declare and initialize the slices, and few of the operations we can perform with the slices. In today's video, we are going to discuss about most commonly asked interview questions. That is how slice works internally, but also we'll try to discuss few of the things like how a length and capacity plays a crucial role in case of slices. Let's get started. Let's consider main slice whose underlying array contains 11, 12, 13 till 18 and index starting from 0. And we have a slice A which contains some part of main slice, that is nothing but items from 0th index to till second index, that is 11, 12, 13. As we already know that slice A will contain pointer to underlying array, length and capacity. So here the length is 3 and the capacity is 8. Here the pointer points to first item of an underlying array, that is 11. Now let's consider one more slice, that is slice B, which contains some part of main slice, the items from 4th index to till last index, nothing but 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here slice B will contain pointer to underlying array, length and capacity. And length is also 4 and the capacity is also 4. If you noticed, the capacity of a slice B is actually not 8, it's 4, even though the underlying array has size 8. In order to measure the capacity of a slice, not only do we need to know the size of the underlying array, we also need to know where the array slicing begins. So a more accurate definition of a capacity would be the capacity of a slice is equal to the length of the underlying array minus the index of the array of the first element of a slice. That is nothing but 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. That will be the capacity. Let's say we have a slice, slice A. We will simply give the type as int, and we'll try to add few items to it. Let's say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I have added 7 items. Let's try to print this slice. Comma length as well, we'll try to print it. Slice A, then the capacity of slice A. Perfect. Clean. Go run main.go. So yeah, it is working fine. So as we already know that whenever we create a slice, there will be an underlying array. So let's call that array as like this, which will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the length as 8 and the capacity as 8 as well. So now we will try to print the address of this slice as well. Instead of this, we'll try to use printf. Here, address of slice A, percent %p, then slash and we'll use slicing. Perfect. So let's try to see the address. So here address of slice A is, this is the address. So nothing but slice A will be having, nothing but slice A will hold something like this. Pointer to A1 and then length as 8 and the capacity as 8. So this is what will be present in the slice A, and pointer to A1 nothing but the underlying array. So whatever the address which is printing, right, this is the address to this underlying array, nothing but it usually it will point to the first item. So nothing but if I simply print the directly, let's say like using ampersand symbol, slice A of 0, both should be same. As I said, like which will point to address of first item. So we'll see like slice A of 0 is nothing but, so we are printing an address. Let's see both are matching or not. So yeah, both are same. Perfect. Let's comment it out. Now we will try to have a one more slice B, and we will use a slicing operator here, nothing but which is a from slice A, and we simply use some file, nothing but which is going to have like a 0 to till 4 index, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till this much items it will be keeping in slice B. So let's see like what it is gonna give. We'll print this address as well. slice B and slice B. Here as well, we'll print slice B and the length of slice B and everything same. Let's clear the screen. So address of slice B is this, and it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 and 8. So if you have the capacities are same for both, and length is 5 because we have just like picked 5 items from slice A, nothing but again like 5 items from underlying array. So this is fine. As we have discussed here, we are like uh, slicing that particular slice, nothing but a slice A. I mean, we are picking only 5 items, but still slice B, which will point to the same underlying array. Nothing but we will simply try to copy and paste this. Nothing but this is what the slice B contains. Perfect. Nothing but pointer to A1 and length should be 5 and the capacity is 8. So far clear, right? Now we will try to add like few items to slice B. So let's say like I'm gonna add using an append function, we can add item to slice B. So slice B, and here we have like added like 5 items, right? Let's try to add like 9, 10, 11, and again we will try to print both like address as well as the length, capacity and everything. So if you observe, like address is same for slice A and again slice B, and this is after adding 3 items to this. So now the length and capacity 8, and because we have added like 3 more items, so 5 plus 3 8. Perfect. Now I will try to add one more item to this one. So if I simply run this, now you will see the magic. So perfect. Now if you see, slice A address is same, slice B address is same. After adding some item, the address has changed, and if you see, the capacity is also changed. So before the length was 8 and we have added one more item to it, so the length has become 9 and the address become from 8 to 16. Nothing but till now the underlying array was same, nothing but the above one A1, so whose capacity was 8. So nothing but that particular array can hold maximum like 8 items in it. But here, as soon as we try adding ninth item, so the new slice which is getting created here, nothing but the slice B, after adding some items, instead of pointing to A1, it will create a new underlying array, that is nothing but A2, which will hold these items. Nothing but like this, it will hold. Perfect. So as soon as the length exceeds, as soon as the length of a underlying array exceeds, then it is gonna create a new underlying array. So here, this will be the A2. Instead of copying here, let's copy to here and slice what exactly this will contain. Now it will contain, instead of pointer to A1, it will contain pointer to A2. And then the length has 9 and the capacity has 16. So this is perfect. And as soon as we try adding 17th item to this slice B, then again, which is gonna create a new underlying array, we can simply call it as A3, and the capacity will also double, that is nothing but 16 into 2, it will be 32. And the capacity will be keep on doubling, but there is a one like a limit as well for that. So let's say like I don't remember the exact limit, but I remember just some ratio is there. For example, after adding 1000 item to a slice, and again 1001th item, if you try to add, instead of doubling, it will add some 20% of whatever the capacity of a slice. Nothing but if the capacity is 1000 and 20% is nothing but like 200, so it will be like as soon as you try adding like 1001 item, so instead of doubling it to 2000, it will be something like 1200 or something, so some 20%. I didn't remember the exact ratio, you guys can check it out, but this is how it works actually. So Yeah, this is fine. So far, we have understood how slice works internally, how it will point to underlying array, and how a length and capacity plays a crucial role in case of slices. So far, we have learned about how slices works internally, and it is one of the most commonly asked interview questions. So if you guys have any doubt, please comment it out. I would love to answer your query. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit a bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.